Hi ladies. Right, I just thought I'd show you how to do this bird. If you've got one of these, or you can get hold of one, or you know, if you can't, ask somebody will send you one. I mean, I'm going to get the die so that I can then do some, and then if anybody wants any, I can send them. But at the moment, I've only got this one, and so what you do is, if you've got it, or I mean, it's not hard to do a bird. All I've done is I've popped it on some, popped this onto some 1mm chipboard, and then I've just cut around, or drawn around it first to the end of the tail there, just halfway down the legs, and then I've cut that out. And what we're going to do now is we're going to decorate it. So, first of all, now, I wasn't sure what to do, but I'm going to colour mine. And I'm going to colour my bird in the dark patina. I do love this paint. I really do. And I love the colour. I'm not going to undercoat it or anything like that because there's no need. And all I'm going to do is just give it a really quick coat. Might have to give it two, but I'll dry it with the... I hope you're seeing this. And we'll dry it with the heat gun. Really good coat, that's all you need. There we go. Make sure I've got the nose bit done. Pop that on there, and won't be a minute ladies, I'm just going to dry this. Oops. Oh, do you know, this is what wires. Can't say, I don't know about you, love, but I feel like having a right good shindig. You know. Now it's starting to bubble. Which I'm not bothered about that, because you're not going to see the legs are going to be tucked. I'm going to do another one of those bird. Just in case anybody didn't see it, the bird house, look. So I'm going to do another one of them. But for now I'm just doing the bird. Right. Wipe that off. Doesn't matter. Put that away. Right, next what we're going to do is we're just going to decorate it. And for that, I'm going to use the gold again. I'm running out of this. I've hardly any left at all. It's not coming out properly. I don't want to risk getting halfway around and it running out altogether. So all we're going to do now, ladies, is start at one end. And I'll tell you what I did with all my stickles. I found the diamond one and the stardust one really nice, quite shiny. But the others I found quite dull. So what I did, I took some my own glitter that I made, you know, my own really good glitter, and I added to the stickles some of that, and it's made them even shinier, and they stand out, really stand out. Now I'm not going to do the legs like I say, because we're not going to there we go. So that's that done. Now what I'm going to do is, while that is drying off properly, just do the wing. Now I haven't drawn it because I can't be bothered half the time. I know what shape a wing is roughly. I know what size I'm going to need. And so therefore I'm just going to do it freehand. Bit big. Doesn't matter if it's a bit big. That's all you do. Chop it all off. And that's going to look great. Yeah, that'll do. Just get my paint again. undo the lid. Oops, undo the lid for it this time. And then just do that. That's it. That's all you do. It says it's acrylic paint and it dries pretty quick. There we go. A little brush of wash. Oops. Take the heat gun. That's it. Take that and then glue that to the bird. Where do I want it? There. Move that around so I'll get it right where I want it. Yep, that's fine. Take the stickles, and then while you're waiting for that to dry, you can just nip round the edge with this. What time are we on? 6:40 some. Is it 6 or 8? 6:40. Oh, and I must need glasses, me. Must need some new ones. Right, so then what I'm going to do is just pop a little bead in there for the eye. Don't want anything too big, and as it's a patina colour, I'll give him a little glittery eye, I think. Wrong place. Like that. And then using the diamond, diamond stickles, I'm just going to give them a little bit of bling. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. It's hardly any left at all. That's a bit better. Just a little bit here and there. Get some on the breast. Feathers. And a little bit. Like that. I think that'll do. And then, oh, I've got one here. Take my little feather and I can get hold of it. Now I'm just going to clip the end off this because when I've glued that, pop that on the end there, and then on top of that I'm just going to stick another bit of bling on, which holds the feather in place as well. And there you go, just got time to show you. There's my little bird, quick as that. With a little tail. They're cute, really cute. I mean, I could add. I haven't got any other colours that'll go on it. Not really. So, but that'll look nice on my project when I've got it ready. And quick and easy to do. The legs are going to be hidden. So, quite made up with that. It doesn't take long at all, does it? Thanks for watching. Bye.